Okay, back with number 5, and we have another pesky negative sign that needs to be distributed. So those will be really tricky. Be very careful with those. And so we will have 7b minus 8 over 6b plus, because we're distributing that negative sign, we're going to be adding now. It's a negative 11b minus 2, and then that's over 6b. So again, just combining like terms in the numerator. So a 7b minus 11b is going to make negative 4b. Negative 8 and a negative 2 makes a negative 10. Denominator stays the same. And so just like the last problem, we can notice that 4, 10, and 6 all have a common factor, and that common factor is 2. So we're going to factor out a 2 and leave negative 2b minus 5 in the numerator. Factor out a 2 in the denominator, and that's going to leave a 3b. We will go ahead and cancel these 2's that we factored out. And then that's going to leave us with a negative 2b minus 5 over 3b. I believe that Alex will accept that answer. The other way to write it, if you prefer to do it this way, is to put the negative sign in front. So you're basically factoring out the negative sign. And then that makes it 2b plus 5. And we got to be really careful about where we put that negative sign. So I'm actually going to have to move it over 3b. And it's super important if you do this, that you put that negative sign like immediately in front of the fraction bar, so that you know that that negative is being applied to that whole thing. I would honestly not recommend doing the bottom one. I would leave it with the top one. And so for my answer key, I'm going to go ahead and put a smile face here. I like that one. And I'll put a sad face here for this one. I don't like that one. So this is, I prefer this one. This one is kind of yuck. Anyway, hope that's helpful, everyone, and I hope you have an awesome day.